Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into a design element that's revolutionizing modern living rooms, the modern fireplace TV wall ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a stunning focal point that combines warmth, entertainment, and style. If you're looking to elevate your living space, you're in the right place. Let's start with the fundamental question. What exactly is a modern fireplace TV wall design? Simply put, this design integrates a fireplace, typically electric or gas, with a mounted television, creating a cohesive and visually appealing wall unit. It's a departure from traditional fireplace setups, prioritizing sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and seamless integration of technology. This design aims to maximize space and create a central hub for relaxation and entertainment. Instead of having a separate fireplace and TV, you combine them into a single, impactful feature. The overall goal is to create a contemporary look that enhances the room's ambience while offering practical benefits. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of having a modern fireplace TV wall design? There are several key advantages. First, it maximizes space. In smaller living rooms, combining the fireplace and TV into one unit frees up valuable floor space. Second, it creates a strong focal point. This design instantly draws the eye, making it the centerpiece of your living room. Third, it enhances ambience. The warmth and visual appeal of a fireplace create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, it adds value to your home. A well-designed fireplace TV wall can significantly increase your property's appeal. Fifth, it offers modern convenience. Electric fireplaces, in particular, are easy to control and maintain. Sixth, it improves entertainment experience. Integrating the TV with the fireplace creates a unified entertainment zone. Seventh, it offers design flexibility. There are numerous styles and materials to choose from, allowing you to customize the look to fit your preferences. Eighth, it provides energy efficiency. Modern electric fireplaces are energy efficient, saving you money on heating costs. Ninth, it creates a clean aesthetic. By concealing wires and incorporating sleek designs, it minimizes clutter. 10th, it offers safety. Modern fireplaces have safety features that make them safer than traditional wood-burning fireplaces. Okay, so you're sold on the idea. But how do you decorate your living room with a modern fireplace TV wall design to look good? The key is to create a balanced and cohesive look. Start by choosing a design that complements your existing decor. Consider the scale of your room and select a fireplace and TV size that fits appropriately. Pay attention to the materials and finishes. For a modern look, opt for sleek surfaces like stone, tile, or painted drywall. Ensure that the design integrates seamlessly with the rest of your furniture and decor. Use lighting to highlight the fireplace and TV wall. Recessed lighting, accent lighting, and even LED strips can add depth and dimension. Consider the surrounding furniture. Choose pieces that complement the modern aesthetic, such as low-profile sofas and minimalist coffee tables. Incorporate storage solutions to keep the area clutter-free. Built-in shelving or cabinets can help organize media equipment and accessories. Add decorative elements that enhance the design, such as artwork, plants, or decorative vases. Maintain a clean and uncluttered look. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many accessories. Focus on creating a balanced composition. Finally, consider the viewing angle of your TV. Ensure that it's positioned at a comfortable height and angle for optimal viewing. Now, let's talk about the best materials for a modern fireplace TV wall design. The choice of materials can significantly impact the overall look and feel. For a sleek and modern aesthetic, consider using stone or tile. Natural stone, such as marble or granite, adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. Porcelain or ceramic tiles offer a wide range of colors and textures. Painted drywall is a popular choice for its clean and minimalist look. It's versatile and can be customized to match any color scheme. Wood paneling or veneer can add warmth and texture to the design. Choose light or medium-toned woods for a modern look. Metal accents such as stainless steel or brushed nickel can add a touch of industrial chic. Glass or acrylic panels can create a contemporary and airy feel. Consider using textured finishes, such as plaster or concrete, for a unique and tactile look. Fire-resistant materials are essential, especially around the fireplace. Ensure that all materials are rated for high temperatures. Consider the maintenance requirements of each material. Some materials, like stone, may require periodic sealing. Choose materials that are durable and easy to clean. Now let's get into the exciting part. Let's explore the top 10 best modern fireplace TV wall design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Sleek stone slab. A large, seamless stone slab creates a dramatic backdrop for both the fireplace and TV. The natural variations in the stone add depth and texture. 2. Minimalist white drywall. A clean white drywall design offers a minimalist aesthetic. The fireplace and TV are integrated seamlessly into the wall, creating a floating effect. 3. Textured concrete finish. A textured concrete finish adds an industrial chic vibe. The raw, unfinished look creates a unique and modern focal point. 4. Dark wood paneling. Dark wood paneling adds warmth and sophistication. The rich tones of the wood create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 5. LED backlit design. LED backlighting enhances the visual appeal of the fireplace and TV. The soft, ambient light adds depth and dimension. 6. Floating shelf integration. Incorporate floating shelves to display decorative items and media equipment. This adds functionality and visual interest. 7. Tile mosaic accent. A tile mosaic accent around the fireplace adds a touch of artistic flair. The intricate patterns and colors create a unique focal point. 8. Glass panel fireplace. A glass panel fireplace creates a modern and airy feel. The transparent glass allows the flames to be visible from all angles. 9. Built-in cabinetry. Built-in cabinetry on either side of the fireplace and TV provides ample storage. This helps keep the area organized and clutter-free. 10. Two-tone design. A two-tone design using contrasting colors or materials creates a dynamic and visually appealing look. For example, dark stone with light drywall. As you can see, a modern fireplace TV wall design can transform your living room into a stylish and functional space. By carefully considering the design, materials, and decorating tips, you can create a stunning focal point that reflects your personal style. Remember to prioritize balance, cohesion, and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more interior design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which design idea is your favorite. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.